ground transportation here, and honestly, the Delta agent creating our flight will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the entire Boeing 757 flight crew, it's been a pleasure having you on board with us this afternoon. We hope the next time your plans call for air travel, you once again remember us here at Delta.